Are you and your partner looking to build a life together in the UK without tying the knot? The UK Unmarried Partner Visa might be your pathway. In this video, we'll simplify the steps, cover eligibility, and help you tackle stressful requirements so you're fully prepared for this journey. Stay tuned to ensure you're well prepared. The UK Unmarried Partner Visa allows individuals in a committed relationship with a British citizen or someone settled in the UK to join their partner without the necessity of marriage or civil partnership. This visa is designed for couples who have lived together in a relationship akin to marriage for at least 2 years. Let's delve into the specific requirements. Both partners must be over 18, have met in person, and have lived together in a relationship similar to marriage or civil partnership for at least 2 years. Evidence of cohabitation is crucial. Your partner must be a British citizen, have indefinite leave to remain, settled status, or hold pre-settled status under the EU settlement scheme. You and your partner must have a combined annual income of at least £29,000. This can include income from employment, self-employment, pensions, or savings. This requirement ensures you can support yourselves without relying on public funds. You must have suitable accommodation arranged in the UK where you and your partner can live together without needing housing support. You must demonstrate a basic knowledge of English, typically by passing an approved English language test at A1 level. Gather evidence of your relationship, financial status, accommodation, and English language proficiency. This includes documents like joint tenancy agreements, shared bills, and correspondence addressed to both partners. Complete the online application form and pay the visa fee, which is £1,846 as of November 2024. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Schedule and attend an appointment to provide your fingerprints and photograph. This is a mandatory 3-step for identity verification. Processing times can vary, but you should receive a decision within 12 weeks. It's advisable to apply well in advance of your intended travel date. Once in the UK, your visa will typically be valid for 30 months. During this time, you can work and study without restrictions. Before your visa expires, you can apply for an extension. After 5 years of continuous residence, you may be eligible to apply for indefinite leave to remain, paving the way for permanent settlement in the UK. Maintain comprehensive records of your shared life, photos, joint financial commitments, and correspondence. This evidence is vital to prove the authenticity of your relationship. Provide clear, up-to-date financial records. Financial requirements are a common hurdle, so ensure all documents are thorough and accurate. Consulting with an experienced immigration solicitor can provide personalized guidance and help avoid common pitfalls. Are you ready to take the next step? Contact us at 0238443889 or visit our website www.ukimmigrationsolicitors.co.uk for a consultation. We're here to make your dream of joining your partner in the UK a reality. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel at UK Immigration Solicitors for more expert immigration advice.